you have to build the foundation, and that starts in the early grades. And it's important to have students learn and become fluent with the basic math facts.
Yeah.
And doing that is a major contributor to their success. Other things that I feel help my students become successful in math includes, having students set goals, having consistent daily practice that would be very intense but of short duration, um, having leveled practice, focusing on one fact or skill at a time, and having students check their own work, um, and in doing so, getting immediate feedback, and keeping a record of their progress, and having an ability to move up to a new level when an established proficiency goal has been reached. Another thing that I would do, and I think Barry also would do, is use a method that we refer to as I do, we do, you do. And in the I do part, that's where I might introduce a particular skill or a new type of problem, and I would work through several examples to show the kids, and as I'm working through them, I would explain what I'm doing and why I would be doing it. And then after I'd worked through several examples, I would give um, the students a problem just like the kind I had been working, and that would be guided practice. Um, and then after they would have a chance to try to work the problem, then I'd, I would work the problem for the class and explain the steps. So if they didn't get it, then that's okay because they usually knew that, hey, we're going to work through several more of these problems. So we'd cycle through that several times until the students were ready to do some work independently. And that would be the you do part, where they'd have a set of problems just like what we had been working on in the I do and we do part. Um, I would use the I do, we do, you do um, to pre teach some skills before we get to actually get to them. And I'd have use that to prep for current work. And then I would also use that to backfill deficiencies that I would see a lot of students would have.